Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about Hygge. Stay with me until the end. I will show you how I made a decor in the style of Hygge, which is very simple, budget-friendly, warm and cozy. And you will see how I transformed my Christmas composition into winter decor. Hygge is a word in Danish and Norwegian that describes a mood of coziness and comfort with feelings of wellness. Now, I will tell you why I chose precisely this style for winter decoration.
This entire philosophy calls for living in cozy comfort and harmony in the soul. So, what are typical in the Hygge decor? It's a white color, natural wooden textures, natural elements, branches, some snacks, dry branches, bark, wooden chips, cones, a lot of greenery.
Textiles, it is a cozy plush elements, knitted woolen blankets and rugs add warmth and comfort of your intimacy. And you want to dive into all this with a cup of tea or coffee. There is no luxury here. A natural palette of colors, candles, and soft lighting adds a special mood and enjoyment of life.
And now, finally, let's create together. As I promised, we create a soft, warm, cozy decor in a Hygge style. I take knitting yarn. These are such nice warm colors, and I will make balls out of them. As a basis, I am doing the usual paper towel here, which is crumpled, and warping a yarn around it. Do it in a circle so that no gaps are visible. Sonia has been waiting for a very long time when I start recording the video. Finally it happened, and she's ready to help with all her strength. Of course, tangling the yarn. Then I glue the very tip with a hot glue gun. The next ball, and a slightly more convenient way of gluing the tip. I make balls of different sizes. About 3 sizes are enough. I'm showing you what colors I choose in the end. It's ivory, light gray, and beige. They blend perfectly with each other. The next step, I take the foil and make a round base. To make this certain size, I took an IKEA plate. Foil is an excellent material for forming a ring. I apply it periodically to this plate, and it results in an excellent ring. In fact, you can just buy it, but I did not have a suitable one, so I made it myself very simply. Then I take this kind of ribbon. It's a form of burlap. I am wrapping around the ring, and I glue with the gun. I continue this process, twisting, gluing, twisting, and gluing. Here is the result. The balls turned out to be of different colors, of different sizes, so warm and pleasant. I would even say very tasty colors. What do the colors remind you of? Let me know in the comments. For me, it's a coffee with cream. I think it's a great for Hygge. Here I start applying it to the base. To combine balls of different sizes and colors and glue them on a hot glue gun. I take beige, gray and white, then I add in a little gray, and again I enjoy the process. I get great pleasure from this. These warm colors that I finally chose, I am very pleased with the result. They are the best fit for the style, warm and cozy, very suitable for winter decoration. Next step, how to transition home from Christmas to winter decor. Make this decor before for Christmas, as you can see in shorts. Here I am starting to transform it from Christmas to winter decor styles. The main thing is to remove all the red colors. It's no longer the main character in the decor. We take warm and cozy colors. As a basis, I took a candlestick on which I put the same plate from IKEA and then the decor itself from the balls. Since I will use a real candle, so I decided to put a glass dome from IKEA too and put a candle in a birch bark, which is great for our Hygge decor. I already want to pour myself hot tea or coffee and climb into something warm. Feel the smell of candles and coffee or tea. How else we can use those balls? Let's see in the following example. Next transformation, such an log shape. I did it for Christmas for rectangular table. You can also see this in shorts. I use bright elements here, which I remove here again the red color and fake gingerbread, leaving only 4 branches. And I will also leave such a center ball of cones. Tutorial of the ball of cones in the description. You can use any cones in this tutorial. Here I add eucalyptus branches. They have such a bluish cool shade of green. That looks great with 4 branches. I add balls using these blue ones that I did not fit into my round decor, but looks great here with bluish eucalyptus. Write to me in the comments what shade you would use. Need to add blue here or still leave gray, beige and white? What do you think? This centerpiece ball is easy to replace, for example with a large yarn ball. And as I promised, I show you round composition without a stem. It also looks very stylish and simple in Scandinavian style. Let me know which one do you like best. And finally, last one. I also remove the red color and use bolt of yarn. I only use ivory here. I added the same eucalyptus with a cold blue tint. Branches still smell. I will also leave a link to this short below. You probably recognize the basket, it's from IKEA. And inside is a pot of water. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and click the like button below. It helps grow my channel. And let's create together. Always in touch with you. Let me know if you like this tutorial and you would like to see a sequel. If so, I will definitely make a sequel.